In this video, we'll walk through how to create and share custom reports in Strella. Within any Strella project, you can create custom reports to share key insights with project stakeholders. To get started, navigate to Results, then Reports, and click Create a Report. This will launch AI Chat. Once you're in AI Chat with Create a Report toggled on, describe the custom report you'd like to generate. For example, I'll ask for a report summarizing the key pain points mentioned by participants. AI Chat will search across your project sessions to pull in relevant insights, themes, and participant responses, and then generate a tailored report for you. After your report is generated, you can continue working iteratively with AI Chat to make changes. So here, I'll ask it to add a section on recommendations at the bottom. And we can see that that's been added below. And now let me ask for an executive summary at the top. When your report feels ready, choose the version you'd like to save and click here to store it in your Reports tab. Now, let's navigate back to Reports and open the saved report. If I want to share it, I'll click here and then Share to Web. This creates a link you can distribute to stakeholders who need access to the report. And that's a quick overview of how to create and share custom reports in Strella.